Hello, this is the Mob Master, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Runmus K8 headset, as well as unboxing the Runmus K3 headset. Let's begin. Okay, to start out, we have the Runmus K8 headset. This headset comes in 3 colors, I believe. This is the blue version. It also comes in red, which looks like this, but instead of blue accents, it's red. And green, which actually is much different. It replaces the black with like camo and the blue accents with green. So just keep that in mind if you want to purchase one of these headsets. You can choose from 3 colors. So, like my Xbox controller review video, this is not really an unboxing of this specific headset. I do have another headset that we will be unboxing, because I've already used this. I've had it since Christmas. I got it for a Christmas present. So I've already used this. This isn't really an unboxing, but I just put it back in its original packaging for the video. So, this is the box, in case you were wondering. So to open it, you pull back on this little tab, and you pull up. And I believe the headset actually had a sleeve covering it in the box. It wasn't just in here, but I think I threw that away. So it's not just like in this box. There is something protecting it, but I lost mine. So yeah. So in the box, you're actually gonna get this headset. It has a nice mic, fully flexible. It stays in position, really nice. It's soft. You're also gonna get a audio splitter for desktop. So that's just plugged into the microphone thing that you plug into the microphone port. And one of these is for audio in, so listening through the headphones, and then the other is audio out for your mic. This only really applies to desktop. I play on Xbox, so I don't use this, but it does come with it. And the wires to the splitter, as well as the main wire, is this nice braided texture. It doesn't get tangled up as easily as a rubber casing, so it's really nice. But one other thing that came in the box that I saw a lot of people, when I was looking up research for what headset I wanted, a lot of people had this, and they mistook it for a manual and just tossed it aside, which, I mean, doesn't really look like a manual in my opinion. But it comes with this lucky gift, and this just has scam written all over it, but I'll tell you now, it's not a scam. This is legit. So you open it up, it's congratulations, blah blah blah, free gift, pretty much. And it shows these. But I was like, okay, that's interesting. It gives you instructions on the website to go to, and when you go to the website, it'll explain how to redeem the gift. And it seems kind of fishy at first. It doesn't have a code or anything. It's just randomly thrown in there. But it's legit. And that's how I got the other headset that we will be unboxing. So I'll just put that there. And there will be a test of both the headset and the microphone in this video. But for now, let's get to the unboxing of the Runmus K3. Okay, this is the Runmus K3, I believe. I have not opened it. This is in an Amazon box. But, as you can see, it's kind of funny in my opinion. I blacked out my address there. But it's literally addressed to the Mob Master, which is really funny. I think I did give them my real name, so I'm not sure why they used the Mob Master, but that's how I know it's mine, I guess. So, before we open this was completely free. This video isn't sponsored by Runmus or anything, but this was completely free to me from the free gift I just talked about that came in the K8 headset. What you have to do is you go to their website listed on the free gift thing, and then you have to put in your Amazon order number, as well as other information I forgot, but you just put in that information, and then they'll email you, and they'll send you one of many gifts you can choose from. I think I could choose from another K8 of any of the colors, the K3, a gaming mouse, I believe, as well as a $15 gift card. That may be wrong, I forget. But I already had a K8, so I decided to go for the K3, which, by the way, all of those things were more expensive than $15, so I really wouldn't recommend getting the $15 gift card if you get one of these. But I guess I'll start now. Enough rambling. So this is an unboxing. It won't be much of a review since I'm just opening it now, so I won't have much time to, like, get used to it and, like, you know, review it. But I will do the same tests that I'm going to do with the K8 to this one. And I'll compare them. Because I've seen many videos with Runmus headsets. I'll just try to tear it. I've seen many videos with Runmus headsets, and not one compares two different ones, for one. And they also never say you get a free gift. So, let's check it out. This is the box. Just a little order thing. But yeah, I didn't pay for anything here. This was completely free. I didn't even put in, like, no shipping, no handling, no anything. They just sent this completely free, which is really cool. So this is first impressions. I forgot to mention, they also light up. They have a USB port. I'll show you here. The K8 lights up blue, which I'll demonstrate later, and this one lights up in RGB, so like rainbow colors. So, this is first time opening. So let's check it out. Okay, so yeah, this is the same thing the other headset came in, and it comes with manual. Don't need that. But this also came with the free gift thing, which I obviously can't use since this was sent free, and therefore I don't have an order number, which would be kind of weird. But yeah, same little card. But here's the headphones. So, these are different than the K8s. They're not just a recolor, they are a completely different headset, which was why I wanted to get this instead of just another K8. So, right off the bat, yeah, these are really nice, actually. You can move it, like, they're adjustable, obviously. I'll get into that later. But it has a nice big cushion on top, which is softer than the one on the K8. And the K8 has three, one in the middle and one on each side. This one just has one large one. And the earpieces seem like, they're like circles. The K8 is more oval shape. Not really sure if that matters. The mic seems to be generally the same, maybe a slightly different shape. That's cool. It has a nice red accent here, though it lights up in rainbow. So yeah, overall looks really nice. And the wire is actually a little bit different. So the wire on the K8 has a little less stuff than this. So, once again, it comes with the splitter, which that's kind of odd. This one has a cover, this one doesn't. It's kind of strange. You can unplug it, and this is how you like plug it into like a gaming controller, like Xbox, PlayStation, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll now start testing these things. Okay, this is the K3 headset. This is the first time I'm wearing it, and I gotta say, it's pretty much just as comfy as the K8 headset. Though I've worn the K8 headset for a much longer period of time, so I'm not sure exactly how long it'll stay this comfy. So, also, got the LEDs on. They should be pulsating rainbow colors right now. And I should clarify, to get the LEDs to work, you can't just plug in the microphone part. There is a USB that splits off of the wire, and you have to plug that into something that can take USBs. So, as a console player, that doesn't really apply to me, because there's no USB port on a controller. And quite honestly, even if I played on desktop, I might plug it in just because it's there, but I don't really care about the lights. But if you do, that's something for you to decide for yourself. Next, I will be testing the K8. So this is the K8 headset. It's just as comfy as the K3, like I said before. These are the lights. They are solid blue. And I just realized that this side on both headsets, the light is backwards for some reason. I don't really care, just thought it was funny and should point it out. So by this point in the video, you can probably tell which mic is better. I can't because I'm talking, not listening, but I will review the footage and compare the sound quality in the next clip. After reviewing the footage, surprisingly, it appears like the K3 headset has a louder and clearer mic, but I believe the K8 headset has some noise canceling in it, so you don't pick up on as many outside noises. But the K3 does appear to be louder and clearer. So now, to test the audio, so like what you can hear, I have my Nintendo Switch on Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe, and I'm just going to plug it in and put this up to my phone so you can listen to what it sounds like through the mic. Okay. That was the K3 headset. Not sure how my video is going to pick it up, but it sounded pretty loud from here. Okay, I can already hear it. This is the K8 headset. Okay, that was a comparison of what you will hear while plugged in and playing. It's not too in-depth, so if you want to see a more in-depth comparison, you guys just look up standalone videos for these. But that should be good enough to give it a little first comparison. This has been a comparison and review of the Runmus K8 headset, as well as the Runmus K3 headset. If you are interested in purchasing any of these headsets, do keep in mind you will get a free gift with your purchase if you order through Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below to both of these headsets to where you can purchase them. I hope this video was helpful in helping you make the decision of which headset you want, if either. And if you liked it, I would appreciate a like, and maybe check out some of my other stuff. And if you like that, think about subscribing. Thank you, and goodbye.